Chapter 9 Image Processing with GIMP. Objectives. By the end of this chapter, students will be able to identify the features of GIMP interface, apply selection in various modes, identify and use different selection tools, modify image features using various transformation tools, create artwork using various drawing tools, use layers to manage imager editing, apply various filters to enhance images. GIMP GNU Image Manipulation Program is an open source software for image processing. That means it can be used completely free and any developer can modify its features, but he or she also has to distribute it for free. GIMP can be installed from https://www.gimp.org/downloads. GIMP interface. When you open GIMP using Start button, GIMP 2.xx option, the GIMP window looks as shown here. GIMP window has following major parts. 1. Menu bar. It is located at the top and contains all the menus of the GIMP program. 2. Toolbox. It contains all the tools to work with the images and drawings. Below it are shown foreground and background color buttons, clicking on which you can change them. 3. Panel area. This part contains various dialogues or panels needed to perform various tasks. A common panel is Tool Options panel, which displays options related to the tool selected in the toolbox. 4. Canvas or image. Canvas is a working area to create a new drawing or image. In its place, there could be any already existing image open for processing. 5. Status bar. It is located at the bottom of the window below the canvas. It has zoom options. It also shows cursor position and name of the currently active layer. GIMP Toolbox. Toolbox is the main component of GIMP, which contains various tools to work with images. The tools fall in three major categories as Selection Tools, Paint Tools, and Transform Tools. Below the toolbox, foreground or background colors icon is located. Default foreground color is black and default background color is white. When any tool is selected, its options are displayed in Tool Options panel. We can change these options to change the effect of the selected tool. Here, tool options of Free Select tool are shown. Various selection modes. Selection is very vital in any image processing program because we often work with a part of an image, and for this, we need to select that part of image. Selections are done using various selection tools in GIMP. Normally, when we make a selection, any previous selection disappears, but there are various modes of selection which are useful. 1. Replace a selection. This is the normal selection by default. 2. New selection gets added to the existing selection. Second selection with Shift. 3. New selection gets subtracted from the existing selection. Second selection with Control key down. 4. New selection and existing selection get intersected. Second selection with Shift plus Control keys down. Working with GIMP. Usually, GIMP is used to manipulate any existing image, so we need to open an image. Keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl plus O, open file. Opening an existing image. Go to File menu, open option, locate your image in the Open dialog box and click on Open button. Selection tools. Selection tools in the toolbox provide various ways of selecting regions in an image to suit your requirements. It is usually necessary to select the desired region in the image so that the manipulations are applied only on the selected region and not the entire image. Rectangle, rectangular selection. Ellipse, rounded selection. Scissors, edge fitting selection. Free selection, freehand selection. Fuzzy select, contiguous same color selection. Select by color, select similar color anywhere in the image. Transformation tools. Transformation tools are used to bring changes in the appearance of the selected region in the image or entire image or a layer in the image. Common transformation tools, their use and their output is shown here. Crop. Remove unwanted outer region of the image. Rotate. Scale. Resize selection. Shear. Distort selection. Flip. Flip selection vertically or horizontally. Specify direction of flip in the tool options. Perspective. Change perspective of selection. 3D transform. Give selection a 3D look. Handle transform. Transform image or selection by dragging 4 handles around it. Cage transform. Transform selection by multiple handles around it. Warp. Distort image pixels. Drawing or painting tools. Drawing and painting tools are used to create your own illustrations and drawing on a blank canvas or over an image. Common drawing and painting tools, their use and output is given here. Bucket fill. Fill foreground color or background color or pattern in the selection. Specify fill type in the tool options. Gradient. Fill blend of colors in selection. Clone. Make stamps of selected region. Ctrl plus click to copy and then simply click to stamp. Smudge. Blend colors. Sharpen or blur. Burn, darken or dodge, lighten pixels. Text. Type text on the image. Text appears in separate layer over the image. To see the layers, go to Windows menu, Dockable dialogs, Layers option. Move. Select some region in the image, then press Ctrl plus C, copy followed by Ctrl plus V, paste. The copy of the selection will be pasted right over the selection. Use Move tool to move away the pasted region. Brushes and pencil. Paint brush, wet paint drawing effect. Pencil, dry paint, hard edge drawing effect. Airbrush, spray paint effect. Ink, calligraphic drawing style. My paint brush, use GIMP, inbuilt brushes and draw. Eraser, color picker and zoom tool. Eraser, to erase regions in image. Color picker, click this tool and click on the desired color in the image to set that color active. Use Pick Target options in Tool Options to set the color for foreground or background or just add color to GIMP color palette. Zoom, to zoom into and zoom out of the image.